现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Yo, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin. You probably agree one of the best things about riding the train is that you can take in the scenery slowly during the journey. Now, the group Zixuan and Slow Train does just that. In fact, they even love performing songs at train stations. The song here is called Slow Train or Piang Kuai Ca, and it's about expressing the values of living a slower-paced life. So let's take a listen and take you on a journey with Zixuan and Slow Train.
让树嘅眉头，爱上去你嘅裙摆，天南风从跳舞容，连汹涌嘅茶壶，做同一节茶声，爱打开了茶窗，打开了你嘅声声。风景不是停泊，行过俩山过界山，轰隆隆隆有起个 tempo， 在车灯红，大家都汹涌，平快车红做平凡嘅梦行里，得到，怎么一定比较快乐？平快车红，一个到天光。同來同險是經年匆匆夢夢，歌唱擁伴中感動洶湧。春天嘅風吹送，送送遠遠前面發痛，愛上於你嘅笑容，戀愛一餐又一餐。外風景不是停過，行過每隻四季花開，每剎人嘅春夏秋冬。
坐着火车，看着窗外的春夏秋冬，就如人们的心情一样哦。这首《平快茶》平快车是来自于黄子轩与三平快的作品，曲风呢有一点轻快，仿佛像火车的节奏，但歌词却表达着一种慢活人生价值观。他们呢希望带领着听众感受不断变换的人生风景，以及享受在列车欣赏车外景色的平凡快乐。Well, that does it for today's Hakka song. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.